Hello, kids. How are you today? Hoy tenemos un tema muy especial. Vamos a ver, we're going to see parts of the house. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. Parts of the house. Perfect. Do you know what part is it? Do you know what part is it? ¿Qué parte será esta? Exacto, es la sala. And how do you say sala in English? We say, this is the living room. Repeat after me. This is the living room. Yes. And here we have a rabbit. And the rabbit is asking, what can you do in the living room? What can you do in the living room? ¿Qué puedes hacer en la sala? And the girl says, I can read a book. I can read a book. Puedo leer un libro. Do you know what is the color of the sofa? Yes, the sofa is yellow. And also, the girl says, I can watch TV. I can watch TV. Puedo ver la televisión. It's your turn. Es tu turno. I can watch TV. Yes. ¿Cómo se llama este sitio? Do you know the name? ¿Sabes el nombre? Yes. This is the kitchen. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. This is the kitchen. And the bunny is asking, what can you do in the kitchen? Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. What can you do in the kitchen? ¿Qué podemos hacer en la cocina? I can cook rice. Yummy, I'm hungry. Estoy hambrienta. ¡Qué rico! I can cook rice. Repeat after me. I can cook rice. Puedo cocinar arroz. I can cook a sandwich. I can cook a sandwich. Puedo cocinar un sándwich. Repeat after me. I can cook a sandwich. Perfect. I can cook a hamburger. I can cook a hamburger. Puedo cocinar una hamburguesa. Now it's your turn. I can cook a hamburger. Yes. And I can cook meat. I can cook meat. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. I can cook meat. ¿Reconoces este sitio? ¿Cuál es el nombre? What's the name? Yes, habitación. This is the bedroom. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. This is the bedroom. Yes. And the bunny is asking, what can you do in the bedroom? ¿Qué puedes hacer en la habitación? Repeat after me. What can you do in the bedroom? Yes. I can make my bed. I can make my bed. Puedo tender mi cama. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. I can make my bed. Nice. And also, I can sleep. And also, I can sleep. Puedo dormir. It's your turn. Es tu turno. I can sleep. Yes. And that was all for today. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.